In today's video, we'll explore Shikoku and eat some delicious food in Kochi. We're now in Matsuyama at the airport, and we hear that there's a really great place where you can try Mikon Juice out of a faucet. We've been really looking forward to this, so here we go.
Mikon baby sock. A kita with a Mikon head. That's so cute.
So this entire store is filled with Mikon
Items.
and other things. Arigatou gozaimasu. All right, so this is the famous spout that we've heard so much about. You can get a cup and fill it with Mikon juice. All right. It's delicious.
Okay, I see some of the Mikon rind in here. I don't know how I feel about that. Usually that's pretty bitter. Okay, it's very zesty. It's very good.
We then made the journey to Kochi, where we stayed at the Omo Hotel. We wanted to try some delicious local food, like the seared bonito. So this is a specialty, Kochi. It's really good. Lots of flavor. This one. And I've learned that this is a specialty of the area, Kochi.
It's like a crunchy sweet potato.
Is it good?
But it's like sweeter than a sweet potato. It's really good.
We also got permission to film at the public bath. Coming here is such a relaxing way to start the day. At the hotel, they also showed us this game you play with a spinning top. We can keep this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
Wow. Oh.
Para game. So
Okay.
spin the top, and this person this side, on this side, we will drink. This okame means it's thing.
And it had these cool little ceramic pieces with it. After dinner, we watched a dance performance. We were given these wooden rattles that are from Kochi.
They called me up to dance. I was so surprised and a little nervous. The dancing was a lot of fun to watch. They had so much fun energy. They called me up to dance, and I danced for everybody.
You did pretty good.
I was really scared, but it was kind of fun.
In the morning, we had a delicious breakfast. These little French toasts were so good, and they had some ginger yuzu jam with it, which is famous in Kochi. We wanted to have a great breakfast before heading out for the day. Okay, let's try it. You found some melon pan. Everyone in the videos knows that you is loving melon pan.
This is like the best melon pan I've had.
You love melon pan.
This is a really good melon pan. And it's mini.
We made it to Nakatsu Gorge. We're really excited to see the blue, clear water over here. It looks really cool in pictures, so so we're excited to see it in real life.
Pretty and clear.
It's so clear. Danielle found this really cool statue in the woods. Looks like a Buddha holding a fish, maybe? It's so cool seeing the statues around. I wish I knew who they were, but it's kind of cool not knowing too. It's almost mysterious. So there's a tunnel up ahead. I'm hoping I can fit through it, honestly. Whoa.
This was my favorite hike I've been on in my life, but I also really love seeing Yakushima, so it's hard to say.
This is so cool. These bridges are pretty narrow, and if you have a fear of heights, you might be worried looking over the sides, but it's really cool. It is so beautiful here.
I want to come back with my family to this one. It's so breathtaking.
We got a lot of recommendations that we needed to visit Hiom Market. So here we are, let's go. After the gorge, I wanted to explore more of Kochi. It was great seeing more seared bonito. Very cold outside, but super warm in here. There's just tables everywhere, completely filled with people. It's almost like one big family eating together in here. It's really cool. Good warm, buddy. It's our last night in Kochi. I have to be sure to try the seared bonito one last time. Delicious. So much better now that I understand more of Kochi and more about this food. I don't know. Like means more now that I know. Actually, it is really good. We really enjoyed our time in Kochi, and we hope to come back. This is our last video from the fall. We are currently in Japan for spring and have many videos that we hope to release very soon, so please subscribe. Thanks again for watching.